G'day everyone, it's Chris O, CNT Marble and Ceramics. Hook into my videos everyone. You will pick up something of interest and you'll learn something, I'm sure. What I'm doing now here is the all-important water stop. And it stops all water creeping up and creeping up and creeping up and creeping up and coming out onto the floor. Not that it's going to be pretty hard pressed for that to, when it's busy running down there, to creep up, go uphill. But water can. And the most likely place where it will come uphill, but this is only a minute amount of water we're talking about, because 90 or 95% of your water is taken away on top of your tile, but you do get a little bit soaking through the grout. Yes, people can say, oh well, I'll epoxy mine. Okay, fine. And then you get no water at all going through to your waterproof, but still waterproof it. But most jobs in the residential sector is normal grout. In commercial applications like kitchens and restaurants and that sort of thing, you epoxy grout. But I stay away from all that sort of shit now, these days. I specialise in bathrooms, residential. But I used to do all that carry on when I had an ego problem. But nah, not these days. Anyway, so if your water does travel uphill, there's a minute amount underneath your tile that's soaking through the grout line. It will never come up your rise for a start, but if it ever did, it's stopped by this water stop. And how you put it in is like this. See, that will stop all water as well. But water can be a real pain in the ass, I tell you. I had a leaky shower once, but I know what I did wrong. So, of course, I've never done that again. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some on the bottom as well. Like so. Where is a wedge? So I don't get shit all over me hands. You don't have to wipe it away. I'll be laying my tiles shortly. But to get this a nice close joint, I'll be mitering that to get it up and over, because there is a grout line, but here isn't, until here. It's a full tile. So when I put a full tile out here, it'll come to this edge of the tile nicely. So I must get it very, very close. As close as I can. So it's like a full tile. If you dig what I mean, hopefully. So I just mitered that. Pop this in here, like so. Pop that up there. Okay, I'm set to lay off that. I still need to mitre it though, because that aluminium is about 2 mil and I need to be 1.5 mil, the same as here. So I still need to mitre that. I'll mitre these outside and I'll come back to you soon. But that is the idea, and hopefully I have explained the reason of a water stop, and that's going to end up a beautiful shower. Young people are into the brass. I don't mind it. I like, with this colour tile, I like black as well. That chip over there on that edge of the tile, that will cover with my wall tile. But with this colour tile, brass, silver, black, all goes nice. I've got to pick up some brass angle for that and along there. Anyway, we'll see you. I hope you've picked up something, people. I really hope you have, because that's what I'm out to achieve. See you soon.